A lot of niches suck because they're too competitive and they're not profitable. Hey everyone, I'm Neil Patel, and today I'm going to break down the 10 most profitable SEO niches to start an online business in. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. Sometimes you need to find a customer first, not a product. That's a simple way to find profitable niches. So keep that in the back of your mind. In essence, you want to look for what people are looking for, right? The industries, what issues they have, and a lot of them, and then go figure out where to plug in the niches around them. So let's go over some niches. 1, health and personal care. So when you look at healthcare, whether it's nootropics or ketogenic diet or teeth whitening, there's so many health-related topics out there, or hypnotherapy. All these topics do really well online. They have tons of traffic, tons of volume, and you can monetize really well. Teeth whitening is starting to get more and more competitive. Years ago, it wasn't as competitive, but people are now even creating niches within teeth whitening, from the strips to lights to homegrown products. It is literally a massive market that has so much traffic. Another niche, vaping, CBD oil, oil diffusers, all this kind of stuff is doing really well. And you're seeing even niches within there. So for CBD oil, whether it's for joint pain or headaches, right? You're seeing people create products for very specific niches, even within CBD, and the market cap is large. I'm seeing people that I know who just popped up CBD products literally generate millions of dollars a year in revenue from things like CBD gummies. 3, tools and home improvement. From home bar equipment to wine refrigerators to things that make your home better, like reverse osmosis systems. All these topics, you're probably like, reverse osmosis systems? Well, they sell for a pretty penny, like $500, $1,000, and people spend a lot of money on this, and there's a lot of traffic and high conversions in a lot of those niches, so check them out as well. Number 4, alternative bicycles. EX, like the electric bikes, adult tricycles, biker accessories, and we're even seeing sub-niches within the e-bike industry, from e-bikes that go really fast, to e-bikes that you can use for off-roading, to e-bikes that you can do tricks with, e-bikes that you can take casual strolls and don't go too fast. But this is a massive booming market. I'm not telling you to go create an e-bike company because that would be expensive, but you can create content all around e-bikes, like the top 10 e-bikes and all this kind of stuff that can generate you a lot of affiliate income. 5, solar panels, anything that's eco-friendly, or even vegan protein powder. I know that's very specific, but we're finding those niches to do really well. Solar, we're also seeing a big push on right now because the governments in many parts of the world are trying to really reduce the pollution and create a more friendlier earth, and they don't want it to get as damaged as much, and who blames them on that? I totally am all for that. So solar panels, we are seeing a big boom in it. And there's a lot of rebates and programs out there where people are offering solar panels to homeowners, and they're saying, whatever you're paying for your electricity bill, just pay us that and eventually your bill will stop. So it's a pretty good pitch. And in some cases, actually cheaper than their monthly electricity bill, and they put no money up front. Number 6, house-related niches, kitchen, grocery-related stuff like grocery delivery, home and bedroom, outdoor furniture. We're seeing that industry boom, from like patio furniture. It's massive. A lot of people aren't creating content around it. You can create reviews on all the way from the types of patio furniture to the tables to the umbrella to even the paint, painting your deck. It works really well, and you can generate a lot of affiliate income from this stuff as well. Number 7, wardrobe and wardrobe accessories. Believe it or not, even with COVID, people are still typing in a lot of stuff related to wardrobes or organizing their closets, and it's booming and not competitive much at all, and I highly recommend creating content around that. Heck, you can even create a business where you take those leads and you help people service their closet and organize it. Number 8, board games and action figures. Action figures has been booming because a lot of people also collect them. Board games, we've been seeing a boom in which people have been playing more board games at home, and we don't see this trend dying anytime soon. Board games like Monopoly have been popular for ages, Yes, you can get the app on your phone, but people also like the actual board game. So I recommend that you go out there and you create content around board games. Number 9, electronic car accessories. So you see Tesla, there's a lot of Tesla competitors coming up, even the old car manufacturers like the Porsches and the Fords, everyone's getting into electric vehicles. But there's a whole slew of accessories that are coming up for these cars, and you want to make sure that you're creating content and reviewing all of them because you can generate a lot of money selling them. It's kind of like an iPhone, right? When a new iPhone comes out, there's so much money also in the cases. It's very similar for these electronic car accessories. And number 10, the pet supply industry. Pets, huge market, a large chunk of homes out there throughout the whole world have pets. It's well into the double-digit percentiles. I don't know the exact percentage. In the US, it's quite high on the dog ratio. And every country varies. But here's what's interesting. Pet supplies. There's a lot of pet supplies out there, and creating content around it, becoming affiliates, or even selling any product related to pet supplies is a massive industry. Now, if you need help with any one of these niches, if you want to conquer it, check out my ad agency, NP Digital. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you enjoy the video, like it, share it, tell other people about it. Thank you for watching.